Why am I recommending this new heat press? The original heat press has some drawbacks, such as the high temperatures at the edges of the heating platform, which can be burning hot to the touch, but that's not the main reason. The machine is large and bulky, so the expensive shipping costs make the price relatively high. The new heat press is small and lightweight, and costs about 1/5 of the original. If you're running a small t-shirt business at home, there's no need to buy industrial-grade equipment. Let's see whether this portable heat press can fully meet your requirements. Is there any difference in their performance when used? For example, if I need to press a large pattern, will there be any issues? Usually, the patterns we print on shirts are square with a size of 20 to 30 centimeters. Today, we will print a large pattern and see by using this handheld device, will it be perfect to finish the heat pressing and t-shirt DTF printing process. The professional-grade heat press has a pressure handle. After setting the countdown, you can briefly leave away to do other things. This handheld heat press relies on the weight of the machine itself and the strength of our hands to apply pressure to the shirt. Without a pressure handle, is there any problem? Can the device be moved back and forth during the ironing process? If I apply too much force, will it damage the pattern on the shirt? After hot pressing, we need to cool down the PET film, which helps the adhesive glue below to solidify and makes the pattern better adhere to the clothes. Slowly peeling off the PET film, we found that the pattern adhered firmly to the clothing without any problem. The pattern on the shirt has no deformation. This is the final product. There is no much difference in functionality between the two heat presses. The heating surface is flat and smooth, suitable for both heat press and ironing clothes. We can set the temperature and countdown time. Vinyl heat transfer is recommended to be set at 180 degrees Celsius for 60 seconds, and DTF printing is recommended to be set at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 seconds. The difference between the old and new heat presses is that the new machine requires manual pressing, and if the pattern is too large, it may take more time to press some specific areas. For those who are starting a small business, using a compact heat press is the most suitable option, especially if the daily order volume is only a few or a dozen pieces. It is an ideal machine for crafters who is interested in personalizing garments without making a significant investment. After 1 or 2 years, when your business reached to the next level, upgrading the equipment then is not too late. So make sure you're subscribing ProColor channel, and I'm going to encourage you to comment on this video if you have any questions after watching.